They have a variety of colors. They have the red. Wait, they have... Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a few weeks since I posted a video. I'm trying to catch up with you guys and upload a new one for this week. So I hope I'm gonna be able to upload this before next week. I will try my best. We are trying to be productive, but today we are going to be doing a unboxing of Probien iPhone XS Max case. They have sent me a couple of cases that we can try, and then it's kind of affordable. It's like 15 bucks, but I don't know if some of you think that it's affordable. In my opinion, it is affordable because mostly what I review is between 20 bucks to 40 bucks, something like that. So this is more affordable than what I usually review in this channel. Without further ado, here is the unboxing of the Probien iPhone XS Max cases from Amazon. So we have two packages in here. I don't know if they sent this separately, but we will see. I'll give you the link down in the description box. Okay, I'm starting to rip this thing, but I'll put the link down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. So here it is. We'll do the first package here. 3 cases and ooh, yeah. Oh, I love that they have the brand right here, and the packaging is kind of nice. It's simple, it's thin and not so much color. Information's right here in English, and some others are in Chinese, and there's like instructions right here that you could follow how to install it on your phone, and some barcodes and website and their address and everything. So I'm gonna show you first this color. Yeah, there you go. Kind of plastic thing in there, and they have plastic cover. Oh, I remember also on their 15 bucks cases, they have free screen protectors, which is really nice. Such a good deal to buy this. If you're on a budget, this is a really good case to buy. We are getting from the package is a screen protector accessory. I have a screen protector right now, so I don't think I'm going to install it. But I'm just gonna show you guys what you see inside. A paper says not happy. A instruction from Probien how to install your screen protector and such. And then here's the screen protector. I'm just gonna be doing our case review here. Nothing unusual. It's muted black. There you go. That's the, I think, the right word for it. And then the inside is, it's a velvety feel. When you lay your phone in there, it's gonna be laying super nicely because it's like fuzzy or velvety. We are gonna try this now. I feel like this is a dupe of the Apple case. The difference is that this has cover on the bottom and the Apple doesn't, so I think that's a plus. It's a really good case. For 15 bucks, you can get a free lifetime warranty. You have a free screen protector, and you have the case. It's just that because it's a silicone case, I feel like the dust gets on there super easily, and just like what you are seeing right now, if you are seeing it right now, but it just collects in there. I think that's the disadvantage of having a silicone case. Whenever I touch it, there's no like fingerprints in there and stuff, so I think it's just the dust that's going in there so easily. In here in front, I love it because it hugs the phone. Next one is going to be this case. I have this color again, and then it is the sand pink. You have a case like this, the same as the Apple case. If you look closely, you will see that the Apple case is more brighter than the Probien case. Apple has no cover on the bottom, and this Probien case has one. As you can see right here, it's not really stitched really well, but that's what you get for a 15 bucks. Well, it collects dirt or dust, but not as bad as the black one. It looks really nice, and yeah, I think this is good for me. This is okay for me, but I just want to show you guys. So again, it looks like that right there. No difference. That's the bottom, and that's the side. Lip right here for the camera is really high, that your camera will be safe from scratches. The sides is really soft. That's where the, hold on, and that's where the volume mutes and unmutes right there. Let's move on to the next color. I wanted to get this color from Apple. It's the yellow, mellow yellow, but I feel like it's too expensive, so I was thinking about just keeping this case for me. It's not really that bright, just enough yellow. Maybe the mellow yellow is the same color, and I wanted to get the canary yellow or the mellow yellow, but it's too expensive, so I'm so happy that I got this case right here. These colors are really pretty. So let's try this on our phone. That's how it looks like right there. The top, bottom, and the side. And sides are super soft. Mute and unmute button. Not that one. Ooh, super soft. There you go. Yeah, I love this case. Oh my god, yellow. So yeah, it does collect dust, but it's not as bad as the black color. I love it. I love it. Summer color, guys. Next case is going to be, this is the red color. It's super bright in real life compared to the Apple red, product red. Now this is bloody red and this super orangey red, so it's bright red. Oh, sorry. Really summery, bright red. Look at these colors, guys. It's so pretty. Let's put the red one on our phone. Top. Some. I think that is it for the cases. So they have a variety of colors. They have the red, the yellow, the sand pink, and the black one. And you can get this for $15.99 on Probien, Amazon. You can get a free lifetime warranty, a screen protector, and the case itself. You see that they have a discount, 68% discount, Prime delivery, and so you're gonna buy this screen protector and the case for $5.09. So that's really a good deal. So I hope I can upload this tonight so that you guys can get this. I guess if I contact them, and then while I'm editing the video, and as soon as I upload the video, I'm gonna put the promo code that they're gonna give me on the description box. So again, look at this color. These are super nice colors for summer, except the black one, but for me these are a really good color for the summer, and I'm so happy that they sent me this. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I have to prepare dinner, and get this video ready for you guys and upload it as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching and waiting for my videos, and I'm gonna try my very best to upload more. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!